If you're seeing Windows Installer error 2755, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when the Windows Installer service can't access the setup files because of restricted permissions, a blocked file location, or a service problem on your PC. The good news is that this is usually easy to fix once you know what to check. And before we begin, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials like this one. It really helps support the channel. Now, let's get into it. First, move the installer file to your desktop or to the root of your C drive. If the setup file is buried inside several folders, Windows may have trouble accessing it properly. A deep folder path can sometimes cause installation errors, especially when the installer needs quick access to its files. So if your setup file is currently in downloads, a temp folder, or several subfolders deep, cut it and paste it directly onto the desktop or into C:/. Then try running it again. Next, if your installer is inside a zip folder, you need to extract it first. Do not run the setup file directly from a compressed archive. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Once the files are fully extracted, open the new folder and run the installer from there. This is important because Windows Installer needs access to all of the internal components, and those components can be blocked if you launch the setup from inside the archive. Now, right-click the Inkscape setup file, or whichever installer you're using, and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer elevated permissions so it can write to protected system locations during the installation process. If the problem was caused by a permissions issue, this step often fixes it immediately. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes and Continue. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is the Windows Installer service. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. This opens the Services window where Windows manages background system services. Scroll down until you find Windows Installer. Once you find it, right-click it and select Start. If it is already running, choose Restart instead. Sometimes the service gets stuck, and restarting it is enough to clear the problem. If Windows Installer is disabled, you'll need to change that first. Right-click Windows Installer again, select Properties, and look for Startup Type. Change it to Manual or Automatic, then click Apply, and then click Start. This makes sure the service is allowed to run when you launch the installer. Without that, the setup file may fail with error 2755 because Windows can't properly initialize the installation process. After that, make sure your Windows account has administrator privileges. If you are using a standard user account, Windows may block access to system folders or installation changes. In that case, you may need to enter an administrator password or switch to an admin account before continuing. To check this, open Settings, go to Accounts, and look at your account type. If you do not have admin access, ask the device owner or someone with administrator rights to approve the installation. If you've followed all of these steps, try running the installer one more time. In most cases, moving the file, extracting it properly, running it as administrator, and restarting the Windows Installer service will solve error 2755. These fixes address the most common causes, especially permission issues and service problems. If this video helped you, please tap the like button and subscribe for more Windows fixes, software tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.